Need to renew your Missouri dealer license fast? This video shows you how to get your bond, insurance, and paperwork done, quick and stress-free. We'll start with the dealer bond, why it's required, how much you need, and how to get it at the best rate. Next is your garage liability insurance. We'll explain what coverage the state requires and help you understand your options. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what you need to renew your Missouri dealer license with confidence. Let's get started. To renew your license, Missouri requires two things. First, you need a $50,000 auto dealer bond. This bond protects your customers and the state from any fraudulent activities. Second, you must have garage liability insurance. This insurance covers bodily injury and property damage caused by your dealership operations. Make sure to have these documents ready when you apply for renewal. The Missouri Auto Dealer Bond is a crucial requirement for anyone looking to operate as an auto dealer in the state of Missouri. This bond serves to protect the public from any potential fraudulent activities made by the dealer. Essentially, it ensures that the dealer will comply with all state regulations and laws governing the sale of motor vehicles. When you apply for this bond, you won't have to pay the full bond amount upfront. Instead, you'll only need to pay a small percentage of the total bond amount, which is determined based on your credit score. A higher credit score typically means a lower premium, making it more affordable for dealers with good credit. Obtaining the Missouri Auto Dealer Bond is a straightforward process. You can work with a surety bond company that specializes in auto dealer bonds. They will guide you through the application process and help you get the best rate possible. Once you have the bond, you can confidently operate your dealership, knowing that you are compliant with state laws and that your customers are protected. The cost of your bond depends heavily on your credit score. Higher scores usually mean lower costs. A 650-plus score signals lower risk to bond providers, which often results in better rates. On the other hand, if your score is below 650, expect to pay more since providers view you as higher risk. Other factors can also affect your bond price, like the bond type and required coverage amount. Higher risk industries often pay more. To get the best deal, shop around. All American Bonds and Insurance makes it easy to compare quotes and find the right bond for your situation, fast.
A dealer, I was worried about the cost of my bond because my credit score wasn't perfect. But by using quickerbonds.com, I managed to save a significant amount. My bond cost was much lower than I expected, and the process was incredibly smooth. While a high credit score can help you secure a lower bond cost, it's important to consider all the factors that might affect the final price. By understanding these elements, you can ensure you're getting the best possible rate for your bond. Remember that your credit score is just one piece of the puzzle. Take the time to explore your options and find the bond that best fits your needs and budget.
While a high credit score can help you secure a lower bond cost, it's important to consider all the factors that might affect the final price. By understanding these elements, you can ensure you're getting the best possible rate for your bond. Remember that your credit score is just one piece of the puzzle. Take the time to explore your options and find the bond that best fits your needs and budget. Time to talk about insurance. Missouri requires garage liability insurance for all dealer-owned vehicles. Make sure you have the right insurance in place. Don't let a missing certificate slow you down. Get covered and stay compliant. Need insurance fast? Don't worry, we specialize in dealer coverage and can quote you in minutes. Just visit the link below or go to quickerbonds.com for your free garage liability insurance quote. Avoid these common mistakes: waiting too long to renew your bond, using outdated information, and submitting the wrong insurance forms. Over 60% of dealers make at least one of these errors. Don't be one of them. Thousands of dealers rely on us for fast, affordable licensing support. We've been doing this for over 10 years.
All American Bonds and Insurance gave me the lowest rate I've ever had on my surety bond and my garage liability insurance. Izzy.
Amazing customer service, very fast and super friendly, best rates around. MR. Highly recommend All American Bonds and Insurance for any dealer licensing needs. Joe. Visit quickerbonds.com. First, click on the Apply Today button. Next, enter your dealership information. Finally, review your details and submit your application. You'll receive your approved bond quote within 24 business hours. Renew your Missouri dealer license the right way, with All American Bonds and Insurance. Fast, easy, guaranteed. Don't wait, or your license might start collecting dust. Get it done today and keep your business rolling. Don't forget to like this video and follow us for more car dealer tips and tricks. Good luck.